Hey, this is Nate from Web 801. In today's video, I'm going to go over a step-by-step process on how to see entries from your Gravity forms. For those of you who work with me already, you'll know that Gravity Forms is an important plugin that I use for all of our WordPress websites. It's great for lead generation. It's great for creating email lists that sync with MailChimp. You can see more about that in a video up here. It's great for registrations, for events, and getting feedback from your clients. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do when you're trying to see your entries in Gravity Forms is log in to your website on the back end. So once you get into the dashboard, you may see something like this, or your dashboard may look a lot different. So I'm going to go over the way that will be applicable to everyone. I'm just going to go over here to Forms and then click on Forms. Once I get here, another way to simplify this is I can see all, active, inactive, and trash. I'm going to click on active, and then that'll eliminate about half of them. And I can scroll through here and see, okay, there's the 2021 conference feedback. I'm going to put my cursor on the form and I'll see entries. I'm going to click entries. Now I'm here and it's going to be sorted by date. So the most recent will be at the top. It'll show the first name, the email address. One way I can edit this if I want to is this little icon here. I click on this and then it will allow me to say, okay, entry date, first name, email, which version of the conference did you attend? How did you rate your overall experience? I'm just going to drag this one out. I don't feel like I need this one. And I could scroll through here and see, okay, are there any other things that I'd like to see just at first glance? And I click save. Once I click save, you'll see that now there's the date, the first name, last initial, email address, conference they attended, how would they rate their overall experience, and I can go through there. If I want to look at them individually, I can click on view. Then it will go through the specifics, which version, very satisfied. It will go through, you'll see some of these are left blank. That's why that's not showing. And then there's some information and it keeps going down and it just shows all the information, including name and all that. Another thing I can take note of is once I'm here, I can see 1 of 52 and I can hit the arrow and it will take me to the next one. Now this is 2 of 52 and I can just scroll through these and see all the entries. There is a way to export all of this information, but as some of you know, exporting the data, especially when there's a lot of it, is going to go into a spreadsheet. And that's complicated to read sometimes. But the way I do that is I go up here to Forms again on the side, and I can click on Import Export. Then I'll select the form. In this case, I'll do the conference. And then it will show all of the fields. That's why the spreadsheet can be complicated, because we do want to see all the information, but man, it's going to be a super wide spreadsheet. So I could go through here and say, okay, I want to see these things. And I want to see first name, last name, email, and if they attend meetings, and the entry date. And then I could just keep the dates open because that will show all of them. And then I could download and export the file. So that's a step-by-step guide on how to see entries using Gravity Forms. If you liked this video and it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you'll get notified when we make new videos. I'm Nate from Web 801, where we turn brochure websites into sales machines.